Hello and thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the channel if this is your first time. This video is just me out with some friends from work walking up on the tops of the Durham Dales here in the UK. I took a handheld with me on the hope that I would make some 2 meter FM contacts and show my friends what amateur radio is about. I was a bit apprehensive because we were fairly remote and I wasn't sure if on a working week anyway whether I'd be able to reach civilization. CQ, G0, CNN portable, Golf 0, Charlie, November portable, G0, CNN portable, handheld portable, calling CQ. CQ, G0, CNN portable, Golf 0, Charlie, November portable, G0, CNN handheld portable, G0, CNN portable, calling CQ.
How far away would that be from where you were? 30 miles probably.
G0 CNN portable. You've got my attention. G0 VG 450.
Yeah, 450, John. There you go, got someone. Yeah. Is this frequency in use? G0 CNN portable. Nothing here. G0 VGZ, G0 CNN portable. You get me, John, okay?
Yeah, no problem. Nothing in this one either. Yeah, 1009.
Oh, crikey, that's good. It's the FT65, so 5 watts. I've got me flowerpot antenna on a fiberglass pole. It's stuck on the top of a dry stone wall. I'm just out the wind, Roger.
Oh, good stuff, good thank you.
So here you can see the path to John in Shildon. I'm up here and up in the Dales. I'm about 400 metres and you can see the profile down here. There's a hill to get over and you can see the red arrow above, round about there. So there's some high ground to get around and then it's all the way down to John. So an easy path once it gets going. About 18 mile I would say, and 5.9 plus for John, so happy with that.
Charlie, November, Kilo Oscar, Michael.
Yeah, Roger, Lenny, G0 CNN portable. No, well, thanks for coming back. Yeah, that's a good, so Shildon and Middlesbrough, happy with that. I'm south of, I was telling John, I'm south of Middleton Teesdale, up on a hill on the Pennine Way. This is about the highest bit apparently, with some mates from work. We're having a walk, so it would have been embarrassing if there was nobody about, Roger.
I thought you were at home. I didn't realise you were that far away. Well, no, 5 now plus, no problem.
Yeah, it's a good signal. You're both really crystal clear up here. I didn't think I'd be high enough. I'll have to look when I get home. I think about 400 metres, but it's a good site. There's a hill behind us to the west, so I don't think I'll get over that way. But I think of sloping down the Durham Dale, if it was clear, I might see a bit of Teesside. It's one of those sort of views, I think. But I've probably got a bit of ground slope again as well. But the antenna's just that flower pot, the one you helped me test on the lawn at home. I've just got it stuck in a dry stone wall, Roger. And here you can see the path to Lenny over in Middlesbrough, much further than John, about 36 miles, so twice as far. But you can see down here, I've got a clearer view of Lenny straight over the top of that hill there, which is on there on the map, and then all the way downhill to Middlesbrough and Teesside down here. So that's why Lenny thought I possibly was at home, because a good line of sight contact there. Dry. And here we are emerging onto Grasshome Reservoir. Selset Reservoir was the empty one just behind us. Grasshome we stopped for lunch. Unfortunately, by definition, a reservoir low down, hills all around. I tried to make contacts again on 2 metres, but no joy. Here's the River Tees back at Middleton Teesdale. This runs all the way down to the sea down near where Lenny lives, actually, down in Middlesbrough and that area. So a connection between us in terms of the river as well as the RF. It was a good day out. It was a good demonstration to people who aren't familiar with ham radio, what contact you can make, even when there's no phone signal. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see how I made that simple flowerpot antenna, follow the link below. 7-3.